Hello everyone, hope you all fine. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make animation like this on your mobile phone. Very easy and simple method to create animation like this. So let's start the video. First, open Play Store and on search bar type Benaim. Install it, I already installed. So I open it and click on plus icon. Now give the name of your project. Now click on create movie. Allow all the option. Here there is a menu option like stickers, text, images, hand and music. By clicking on plus icon you can add next page. Now you can add any text like this. Hello everyone. And adjust it. From here you can set delay, duration and pause in the animation. Now select on hand option and select any head you want. Now go to stickers and add sticker you want. Adjust it on the screen. And set the delay, duration and pause. Now select the second page and add text and stickers on it. Set the duration of the animation. Now add sticker on the second page. Now add another page and write text on it. Set the duration. Now add a sticker on it. Now select page 4 and add a Lotai art on it. Set the duration. Now click on the play button. Here you watch how we can easily make animation video on our mobile phone. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video.